you as my main thing. Now tell me, do you want the same thing? See, I don't do this on the regular, but girl, you ain't regular. I answer every time that you call. Now you done got me having withdrawals, and honestly, it'd be a perfect night if you could be here tonight. Cause lately I've been so alone, spending this wealth all on myself. Got diamonds and cars in this house. See, I got everything I need here but you. So girl, can you stay?